Good morning to all. Today we are going to see about how to interface PMOD TMP3 sensor module with Raspberry Pi. PMOD TMP3 sensor module is a temperature sensor. It is having microchip TCN75A temperature sensor in it. It can generate 8 different I2C slave addresses ranging from 0x48 to 0x4F. This TCN75A temperature sensor converts environment temperature into analog electrical value. Again, this analog electrical value is converted into digital value using this sensor module, and using I2C interface, this digital temperature value is transferred to Raspberry Pi. We have to write a code in Raspberry Pi to extract and display the correct temperature value from this temperature reading. Let's see how to interface this sensor module with Raspberry Pi. This sensor module has 4 pins here: 3.3 volt, ground, SDA and SCL. These lines should be connected to the Raspberry Pi in corresponding pins. 3.3 volt will go to 3.3 volt pin of Raspberry Pi. Ground pin will go to ground pin of Raspberry Pi. SDA pin will go to SDA pin of Raspberry Pi. SCL pin will go to SCL pin of Raspberry Pi. Thank you. First pin of first row is 3.3 volt. I am connecting to 3.3 volts here. Third pin of second row is ground pin in Raspberry Pi. I am connecting to ground signal of sensor module. Second pin of first row of Raspberry Pi is SDA pin. We have to connect it at SDA here. Third pin of first row in Raspberry Pi is SCL signal. We have to connect it at SCL pin of sensor module. Now my connections are over. Let us see about how to enable I2C interface on Raspberry Pi. Go to terminal in Raspberry Pi and type raspi -config. Go to interfacing options, enter. There will be I2C option, enter it. It will ask, would you like the ARM I2C interface to be enabled? Enter yes. Now ARM I2C interface is enabled. Enter OK. Enter finish. Now let's check what is the I2C interface enabled in Raspberry Pi. Command for that is ls space /dev/* I2C. Asterisk. Now I2C 1 model is enabled in Raspberry Pi. Let's check whether any sensor is connected at I2C interface and what is the address of that I2C slave or sensor. Command for checking the address of the I2C sensor is I2C detect space -y space 1. Yes, I have connected one temperature sensor PMOD TMP3 sensor module. It has address of 0x4c. Let us write a Python code to get the temperature data from the sensor. Import SM bus. SM bus is the library which used to control I2C and SPI interfaces in Raspberry Pi. I am importing that library. Import time. I am importing time library. We are going to use sleep module in our program, so I am importing time library. Sleep module is inside time library. I am creating an object called bus. Bus is equal to smbus dot sm bus. In this sm bus, S, M and B are capital letters. Remember, when we check the available I2C interfaces in Raspberry Pi, it was showing that /dev/I2C -1. I am mentioning that one here. If you get /dev/I2C-2, you have to use 2 here. Okay. Address is equal to 0x4c. Remember, when I issued command I2C deduct, I got 0x4c as answer. I am using that 0x4c as address of that sensor module. I am writing a function called temp underscore read. Temp underscore value is equal to bus dot read underscore byte underscore data. This PMOD TMP3 sensor will save the temperature data in a register called as 0x00. The temperature value will be stored in register address of 0x00. We are using that 0 here and address of that sensor is 0x4c. So this line will give us the sensor data from the sensor address of 0x4c and register address of 0x00. I want to run this or execute this program continuously. I am using while true control statement for that. I am printing the temperature value here. I am giving a delay of 1 millisecond. This is our program. I have imported SMBus library. I have imported time library. I have created an object called bus. I am configuring the address as 0x4c. This is the address of our temperature data. I have written a temperature underscore read function. Under this function, I am reading a register located at 0x00 and sensor address 0x4c. I am returning that value. I am printing the temperature data and giving a delay of 1 millisecond. For every 1 millisecond, the temperature data will be read and printed in our Python shell. Currently, our temperature data is 28 degrees Celsius. I have interfaced temperature sensor with Raspberry Pi here. I have written a Python program for reading temperature value and printing that temperature data at the Python shell. I am running this code. Currently, this code is giving output of 28 degrees Celsius in the shell. I am going to change the temperature condition of the temperature sensor environment using an hot air gun. Now let's check the output. Output has changed to 35 degrees Celsius, 36, 38, 41, 42. It's increasing. Now I have moved the hot air gun. The temperature is getting reduced step by step. Now it reached 38 degrees Celsius. Now 37. It will be getting reduced.